Lists are a great way to structure content. In HTML, you have two list options: unordered lists, which often look like bullet lists, or ordered lists, which include numbers. I'll show you how to write both so that you can list out ingredients, step-by-step instructions, or whatever you may need to show on your website in list form. Let us start with unordered lists, which you may consider visually to be bullet lists already. I'm just going to type some fruits here. And let's just say the order doesn't really matter. If we're trying to teach kids about fruits, we only need to present to them what some fruits are. They don't necessarily need to be in a particular order. This is the perfect use for an unordered list. It's basically when the order of the items in the list doesn't matter at all. Go ahead and turn this into a header. I'll make it an H2. And this is the list that we're going to make: bananas, blueberries, apples, strawberries. If we were working in a regular text editor like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, we could just highlight them and press the bullet button and they would turn into a bulleted list. But in HTML, we have to do a little bit more work. The tag for unordered lists is UL, which obviously stands for unordered list. So we can just surround the list elements in unordered list tags. But you'll notice that still doesn't really do anything. In fact, we need to wrap each list element in a tag called LI, which stands for list item. So you can surround bananas with an LI, blueberries with an LI as well, enclosing LI. And you'll notice already that bananas and blueberries have their own bullet points. We'll continue with apples and strawberries. Now, of course, we create ordered lists when the order of something matters. And so that could be a step-by-step list of how to sign up on a website. It could be your top 10 favorite vacation destinations, etc. We'll start with an H2, and we'll make the heading how to sign up. Let's say we're writing a quick tutorial on how to sign up for a website. And let's just say that's it. Those are the steps to sign up on a website. Now, as you might imagine, we're going to need a similar set of tags to unordered list tags, and that set of tags is ordered list tags, OL, short for ordered list. I will wrap my list items in these tags, so one opening tag, one closing tag. So everything in here is considered to be part of an ordered list. But as you saw with unordered lists, nothing actually happens to these list items yet. We need to wrap them in LI tags. Now first, before I close this tag, I want you to notice that there are no numbers in my HTML. I don't have to add the numbers myself. Just adding LI tags is enough within the context of an ordered list element to have the numbers appear automatically. Move one more left. There you go. Now you can see that, again, there are no numbers here at all. The only difference between these two sets of lists is that I have an ordered list tag here and an unordered list tag here. These two tags are going to make the difference for the type of list that you create, whether it's a by default bulleted list, but you can change that later in CSS if you want to, or an ordered list that includes numbers.